hackers are actually using AI. So also, cybersecurity experts who need to make use of AI. Welcome to Cyber Culture Interface. This is where we discuss everything cybersecurity. We talk about how to get started in cybersecurity. We talk the basic principles of cybersecurity, and we'll help you to get started in the area of cybersecurity. Today's video, we are going to look at something that helps cybersecurity, or something that is having a direct impact on cybersecurity. AI, the field of artificial intelligence, is something that is evolving very fast, and a lot of technology are coming up almost every day in the field of AI. I'm sure you've heard about ChatGPT, you have heard about Cloud, you have heard about Gemini, you have heard about Bard. These are all AI tools. So there's a new AI tool that has been trending for the past few days now, which is called the Deepseek. Deepseek is an AI model that was released by a Chinese firm, and Deepseek has been providing or producing amazing results in terms of what it does as an AI, in terms of the results it's getting, in terms of delivery, in terms of the work that you can do with it. And it's designed for both ordinary users and also advanced. Whether you're a tech person or you're non-tech, whether you're into cybersecurity or you're not into cybersecurity, Deepseek is an AI tool that is designed for everybody that is interested or has a need for it. So today we are looking at what is Deepseek, how do you use Deepseek, and what is the benefit, what are the things that are peculiar about Deepseek, and most importantly, how does Deepseek help cybersecurity? Deepseek is an advanced AI model that is designed to generate human-like responses. It's designed to generate and understand human-like conversation. Deepseek is built for multiple uses, from text search, answering questions, helping to code, and you can even use it to carry out some simple or some cybersecurity tasks. So I want you to think about Deepseek as a very smart AI, as a very smart assistant, human assistant that you can call at any time and ask any question that can help you to do what you want to do. For tech professionals, you consider Deepseek as a model that is operating with deep neural network structures and pre-trained data. It can help you to do a lot of tasks. You can connect with the API and use it to achieve a lot of things. And because of Deepseek deep neural network structures and pre-trained data, it's very competitive. It's competing with models like the OpenAI, ChatGPTs, and the Cloud, Gemini, and the rest of them. So Deepseek has about 3 different functions in which you can use it. So you can search with Deepseek, you can the coder and the charts. The charts for basic conversations, asking general questions. You can just have a normal conversation with the chatbot. Search, you can use to search for things online. You can use to conduct research. You can use to do extensive search. And for coders too, you can use this to generate code, scripts, Python scripts, JavaScript, all manner of scripts. You can use Deepseek. Let's switch to the screen and see how we can make use of Deepseek.
So we can go to Deepseek. So currently it's a bit difficult because I think there are a lot of malicious, people trying to create accounts. So if you don't have an account yet, it may be a bit difficult now to get an account. But if you have created an account already, you can just log in. I'll be logging in now. It's easier to log in for someone who has created an account. You can see how easy for me to just log in. But if you are just starting, trying to register, sign up, it may take a little bit longer. So let's see, like we said, for searching Deepseek coder, Deepseek search. So for a chat, just normal conversation, you can say hi, explain quantum computing in simple terms. Let's see what Deepseek has to offer us. So sure, okay. So this is a normal chat. Deepseek is just having a chat with you. Basically, yeah. You can see how it's breaking it down. And there's a mode. If you look at it, we have deep think and we have search. So if you use the deep think, you will see the thinking. It will tell you. It will be showing you how it's thinking. So let's try. So let's look for something for Deepseek coder. Deepseek coder, let's say, let's ask it to write a Python code to script a website. So this time around, I'm going to use a deep think. Not because I can't do it on the normal side, but deep think so that we can see how using the deep think or Deepseek will work. Okay, so I've selected Deepseek. Let me see how it responds. So okay, you can see now it's thinking. So, and the thinking, you can see is showing you his thought process. That's one interesting thing about Deepseek. It's not answering the question yet. So it's processing and showing you. So now it's coming up with the script now. So a simple script for Python code script, and it will tell you how to make use of the scripts. So let's see how you can use to conduct search. So let's say latest cybersecurity threats in 2024. Okay, so it's thinking because I still left it on that thinking model. So it will tell you, okay, the user is asking about the latest cybersecurity threats in 2024. Let me recall current trends reports. So it's conducting a search here. So because it's going to go online, and search different stuff, AI-powered cyber attacks. It's giving you a search. So these are basically the difference between search, chat, and for Coda. So Deepseek Coda can help for coders to help generate scripts. Deepseek Chat can just have a one-on-one conversation. You just want to find out about that information. It will give you from his own repertoire of knowledge, of training, of data. Then Deepseek Search will actually conduct a search online. You have to go online, to research and find out the information from different sources. And most of the time, it will even give you sources of the information. That's Deepseek Search.
How does Deepseek differ from the other models, especially the ChatGPT? One of the main things that is causing an attraction, or that is causing making it to be in the news, is the fact that Deepseek Search, is more open source. It means that it's free basically to use. It's not limited like ChatGPT. ChatGPT will tell you need to upgrade, for you to use the GTP plus. But Deepseek does not have any, that kind of restrictions. It's completely open source. You can make use of it to any extent. You can use the API. You can use the backend. It's also more adaptable. It's supposed to be more adaptable. Yes, it's supposed to be more adaptable. So as you use it, you find out if it's actually delivering that. For us in cybersecurity, Deepseek can help us, to carry out some simple cybersecurity tasks. For example, you can help you to identify a phishing email. If you copy a phishing email and paste into Deepseek, it can help you analyze it. Deepseek can also be used to analyze logs. So if you have logs, you can copy the logs, you can paste the log there and tell it what to look for or what you are trying to do with the log, and Deepseek will help you to analyze. You can use Deepseek to generate Python scripts, for coding, for conducting penetration tests. You can use Deepseek, to analyze logs, like I said. So all these are features, I think, that you can easily benefit from using Deepseek.
Okay, so I'm going to ask Deepseek to explain how phishing works. So these are some simple things that you can talk to Deepseek is coming up with it now. How does phishing works, explaining it. So you can use this to create a cybersecurity awareness campaign, to teach people. You can also use to generate code. For example, you can tell Deepseek to generate a simple code to how to conduct a test, or how to scan for open ports. These are simple things you can do. How to scan for open ports. So Deepseek can generate a script for you that you can use, a Python script that you can use to do that.
And explore AI. AI is no doubt we are in the age of AI. AI is here to stay, and as cybersecurity professionals, we need to also adopt it to make our work easier. To make whatever you are doing in the field of cybersecurity, AI is there for you, to use. Hackers are actually using AI to make their hacking more smarter. So also, cybersecurity experts need to make use of AI too, so that they can also combat what the hackers are doing. Once again, this is Cyber Culture Interface. I would advise you to go further, explore our Deepseek, check it out, check what you can do, check how to adopt it into your practice. So if this video has helped you in one way or the other, please like, share, and if it's the first time you are watching this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.